Hey guys, so today I'm just doing a quick video on these 3-ton aluminum jacks by Pittsburgh, sold in Harbor Freight. Um, as you can see here, I got two here. Um, you can see the ones that I have here. Um, so basically, the reason I got these aluminum ones was because of weight difference. Um, it's getting heavier, especially the red ones you see here, to move around, and I think uh, any help with lightweight uh, equipment helps. So we're gonna open it up and just do a quick review and weigh them and see what the weight difference is. All these here are 3-ton. You have that the regular height 3 tons, which are the reds, and then you have the gray 3-ton low profile. The low profile most likely I will keep because my camera is really low and they fit perfect. The red ones I might just get rid of. I use them for SUVs. However, like I said, they are getting a little heavy to move around, and the height is not quite as high as I would hope to be. So these two here will most likely replace them, and also looking into getting an extension to make the height more I guess more flexible for SUVs and such. All right, we got it open. So here instructions. In the past I've always had to bleed my floor jacks. I'm not, we'll get to it, but I'm not sure if this is the same. Most likely it will. So here's the components. All right, so let me take it out, put it on the floor, and we'll check it out. So here we are with the jack. You can see, I mean, it's decent quality. I think there's better ones out there. Pittsburgh, I think, being one of the cheapest. I think the next level up is the Daytona. These are just, I think sold through Harbor Freight. You might be able to get it somewhere else. I think maybe Amazon or something, but be careful with that, since if you get it through a third party, it sometimes avoids warranty and issues like that Harbor Freight gives you when you buy it in the store. So right off the bat, I noticed a couple of things. So it's not 100% aluminum. There's some parts that are not aluminum. For example, the wheels, those are steel. It looks like it's steel as well. Steel. The saddle, steel. So is this here, the saddle base. The legs here, this is all aluminum. I'm not getting anything here. Piston, steel, 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 aluminum, steel, 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 steel. So I would say it's more 3/4 aluminum. There's still some parts that remain steel. I think that's more for a structural base, and everything can't be aluminum. Aluminum can handle so much stress versus steel. Although, like I mentioned, there is some higher quality floor jacks which are 100% aluminum, but I think they range around 300 and above. So if you're really looking for that, I think you can go that route, including the stick here or the lever, whatever. It's steel. Now this is a little strange because I do have a 1.5 ton Pittsburgh floor jack, which I bought a long time ago, and that one, the handle, the stick on that is all aluminum. So I don't know why they decided not to put an aluminum here versus a steel. So for whatever it is, we're gonna weigh it and see what the big difference is between this and the regular steel 3-ton floor jacks. If there is a big difference, if there's not a big difference, again, the reason I got it was because, again, these red ones are getting heavy on me. I figured this, whether it's 5 or 10 pounds lighter, it's a big difference. But we'll we'll see what we get. Last part was that they were on sale, so I can't see myself getting any floor jack that's 250 or 300. I mean, these do the job just as well. But I was able to get these for 175 plus a coupon which I had for $50. So you do the math. So it was very reasonable. Other than that, again, my personal opinion about aluminum versus steel, I think, is just a matter of dollars, right? In my case, again, weight difference, but we'll see. So here we are, all set up on the scale. So let's see what we get. We are getting, let's see if you can see that here. So we're getting 59 pounds and 6 ounces. So you round that up about 60 pounds. 60 pounds without the stick. We're gonna put the stick and see what we get. Let's see. So there we go. That changed to 63 pounds and 9 ounces. Rounding off, 64 pounds. So there you have it. I mean, this here, that's another 4 pounds. I don't know if they make that in aluminum. It might be worth looking at. I mean, it could save a couple pounds if you're lifting the whole thing up, Other than that, that's the weight. That's the actual weight. 63, which is rounded off. Again, 60. The sun's coming out. There we go. 64, right? And without it is 60 pounds. Not bad. 60 pounds, or 64. Versus these. We're gonna weigh these just to get an idea of what the difference is. I think these might be around 70, 75. So, we'll do the subtraction there. All right. So here we are with the all steel on the scale, and I'm a little surprised at what we got. This is what we got. 60. You can see that. Sorry about the sun. Let's see if I can move this. Hang in it. 64 pounds and 1 ounce. 64. Not a huge difference, I think. It's almost the same. We're gonna put the stick on. See what we get. 68 pounds, 1 ounce. So the stick is 4 pounds on both. Pretty much the same. Like I said, probably same steel construction. But I don't know, I'm a little surprised that there's really no plus on weight savings. You know, the numbers don't lie. So I don't know. I would say given the amount I spend on these to sort of upgrade are not really worth it. So I may think might be returning these. You know, I'm not gonna keep them just because they look pretty. I was hoping there would be at least 5 or 10 pounds weight difference, and there's really not. You guys can see the numbers. So I don't know. Well, hopefully this has been helpful for you guys to help you make decisions. You know, if you're like me, I was looking forward to having a lighter 3-ton floor jack, but in this case it hasn't worked out. These are not the same. Sorry, they're not different. They're pretty much the same. All right. So again, hope this helps you guys out. All right. Thanks.